welcome back to Turnbull Custom Guns. This is my Bergara B14R Carbon. This is what I shoot for my factory class ARA Rimfire competitions. For those of you not familiar with that, it's a 50-yard bench rest competition, and you have 25 targets, and basically you have one shot per 25 targets. And depending on the match, you have multiple targets to shoot. Our club shoots 4 targets per match, so it's 100 shots per match. I get asked quite a bit how I clean my rifles, so I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on that. Everybody cleans their guns differently, and cleaning affects different guns differently. So this is what I've found to work well with this particular gun for me. I've been able to maintain over a 2400 average so far this year with it, and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your chamber is empty by making, physically looking in there, chamber indicator, make sure that there's nothing in there. I do a little different cleaning sometimes, partially through the year, for like a deep cleaning. But this is like my after-match cleanings, and in between my weekly shoots or bi-weekly shoots. So we're going to set the bolts aside for now. I use a combination of products. I use Rimfire blend, Vortec, which I pre-soak my patches, put them in the old medicine bottle. And these are just dry cotton patches. I like to use a good quality. These are some Butch's triple twill patches, something nice and rugged. These are getting harder and harder to find. Kind of have an old stock of them, but I use those patches. When I finish, I use Gunser. It's a Ballistol product, just a couple drops, and JB bore cleaner. So and Proferrum. So it might sound like a lot of products, but basically we're going to start with the Vortec. I'm going to give it a little soak after that with the Proferrum and JB bore cleaner, and then Vortec again, and finish off with a few drops of that and some dry patches. So let's go through the process. So the first thing I'm going to do is give it a squirt of Proferrum. It's a German gun cleaner. It's good for lubrication and cleans, and removes moisture. It's pretty good, but it helps to break up some of the product in there, and I'm going to let that sit for about 3 or 4 minutes. It won't harm the bore at all. Okay, now that that's set, I'm just going to take a clean patch. Now, I am a big fan of bore guides. I do not have one for this Bergara. Absolutely recommend. They're easier to use. The miscellaneous or the bore guides like this that fit most rifles won't fit the Bergara B14R because of the ejector that's in the middle. But they are some out there for it. I just make sure I always clean from the breech, not the muzzle. Run a couple dry patches through. And these Bergaras are also a lot easier to put patches through if you have a bore guide. Now I'm going to run a couple pre-soaked patches with the Vortec Rimfire blend. And again, this is just what I've been doing, and it's been maintaining my accuracy. Feel free to comment. I'm always looking for ways to improve my accuracy. But I just wanted, for the people that want to know what's been working for me, this has been working for me. This is where a bore guide's nice. There we go. My particular gun does not necessarily like being squeaky clean. Once I give it if I do a deep cleaning, it takes me a good 50 to 100 rounds before it seems to want to shoot accurately again. So I don't really scrub it every time. I will at the end of the year and sometimes in the middle of the year. So we'll let that sit for about, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes. All right, so I have a couple of my pre-soaked patches with Vortec Rimfire blend, and I've got some JB bore cleaner that I have smeared onto it. Now, if I was doing a deep cleaning, I would use a wire brush, wrap it around it, do about 50 strokes back and forth through the barrel at this point. But because this is kind of my intermediate cleaning, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it back and forth in the chamber and the neck, and just kind of the start there a few times. And then I'll go about halfway and back, probably 10 times. Oop, this is where the bore guide's nice. And then I'm going to do the same thing the whole way. I'll put my finger at the end so I don't go out too far. About 10 times as well. Make sure you don't put a hole in your finger at the end of the bore, at the end of the barrel. I do like to use a carbon fiber rod just so you don't get the extra wear. And on this last patch, I'm just going to push it straight through once. All right, now I'm going to use a pre-soaked Vortec patch right on through. I'll probably run 3 or 4 of these to clean out the rest of the JB bore cleaner. All right, and now I'm gonna run some clean patches through. Whoop. Board. This is the second year that I've shot this rifle. How many rounds do I have through it? I am not even sure. There is a lot. Okay, and the last process, I run 2 patches with the Gunser, the ceramic gun oil. And then I run 2 dry patches through, and that's the end of my bore cleaning that I do after a match. So for my bolt, I have some electric contact cleaner. I like to give it a good dousing with and flush out any residue that may have got in there. That really does a good job of stripping out everything. It doesn't leave much for residue. Then I'll grab a cloth here and wipe it off. And then I give it a light spray with the Pro Ferrum. Wipe that off, and then I blow that out. I'm careful to put this, if it doesn't go back into the gun, into a plastic bag so that no debris and whatnot can get collected on it in between shoots. All right, and that's the process that I go through when I'm after a match and in between competitions for my Bergara BR14. All right, so that's the cleaning process I go through. I'm sure other people have completely different processes. This is what I found works really good for this gun. Shot pretty good amount of 2,500 targets this year with it, and it seems to be maintaining its accuracy well after the second year. And as you can see, I've shot quite a few rounds through it. So until it starts messing up, that's how I'm going to keep cleaning it. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video on how I clean my American Rimfire Association Factory Class 22 rifle.